In today's video, we're going to go over the Allied Lynx condenser. I'm going to show you how to set the capacity. Then, I'm going to show you how to put the system in the charge mode. After that, I'm going to show you that we can check the outdoor fan motor. And last but not least, how to remove the panels and clean the condenser coil. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Alright, now it's time to set up the capacity. You followed all the best practices during your installation, and we need to set up the tonnage. On your system, on that 7-segment display, it'll probably be flashing 3 horizontal red lines. That's letting you know that you need to set the capacity. Depending on the unit, it may come preset to the higher tonnage. If you look here, you have a 2-ton, 3-ton option. There are going to be instances where you're going to start the system up, and it should be preset to the higher tonnage of the two. So if you have the 2-3-ton condenser, it should be set up for a 60. If you have 4-ton, 5-ton condenser, it should be set up as a 63, but I always go back and verify. The condenser I have here is set up as a 4-ton. It's a 4-ton, 5-ton unit set up as a 4-ton. I'm going to go back into the menu and show you how to set up the capacity. We're going to be using this button and focusing on the 7-segment display. We're going to hold this button down until a dash appears. Once a dash appears, we let go. Now we're going to hold the button down again. It's going to scroll through some letters. We're looking for the letters PU. Once the letters PU show, I'll release the button. There you go, release the button, it flashes PU. I'll press the button down again, and it's going to scroll through the capacity settings. As you see, 30, 32, and I'm going all the way to 62, which will set this system up as a 4-ton. And now 62. I let go of the button. It's going to flash 62 a few times to confirm that I've set it accordingly, and you just let it go for a few minutes. It'll come out of this setting mode, and you'll see a little red flashing light. In order to get into the capacity mode, you cannot have a call for cool. The system has to be off, not receiving a call for cooling or heating, and then you can access and go ahead and set the capacity. But once you set the capacity, you're good to go. If you want to put it in charging mode, I'll show you how to do that next. Now we're going to go over how to initiate charge mode. In order to put the system into charge mode, we're going to take the charge mode jumper and jump it across the charge mode pins. Charge mode can be used when charging the system with refrigerant, checking the refrigerant charge, pumping down the system, and performing other procedures that require outdoor unit to operate at 100% capacity. As you can already see on the board, I have a cooling call for stage 2. So my indoor unit is ramped up. Now I can go ahead and jumper the charge mode pins to put the system up to 100% capacity. Once you jump out charge mode, it's got a maximum charge mode runtime of 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, it's going to come out of charge mode. Now let's go ahead and put it in the charge mode. I'm going to remove the charge mode jumper. And once I remove it, you'll see that there are 2 charge mode pins. And I'm going to take this jumper and I'm going to jump out the charge mode pins. And now the system will go to 100% capacity. As you can hear the fan ramp up. As well as the compressor. And as I mentioned before, it'll stay in charge mode for up to 60 minutes. If you forget to take it out of charge mode, it'll time out. And once we've completed our checks, we want to take it out of charge mode, we'll just go back in, take the charge mode jumper off. And as you can hear, the system ramps back down. And then you want to make sure that you take this jumper and you put it across only one of the pins. We don't want to lose this. That way you have it for future use. Another good feature that this Lynx 18 system has is that you can test a fan. If you want to test the outdoor fan, you simply hold the menu button down until we get that flashing dash. Let go, hold it down again until we get to the letter F. Then we let go, then hold the button down again until it tells us fan on. You hear the click, fan on. And it starts the fan. So you can go ahead and make your checks and verify that the fan does work when it receives a call. Now to exit fan test mode, we just press the menu button once. You hear the click, shuts it off, and you've just tested your fan.
Now I'm going to show you how simple it is to clean the condenser coil. You simply remove the 2 top screws, then you take the panel, pull it up and out, put it to the side, and now you can get your hose and rinse off the condenser coil. Once the coil is clean, you simply take the panel, slide it down in place, get the 2 screws, secure the panel on both sides, and then repeat this process for each side of the condenser.
Thank you for watching the Allied Lynx condenser video. Please be sure to follow all installation best practices and have a great day.